humbled leather.
All right, y'all. We about to go after this. Yep. In the turkey sausage, yeah, and all of that. Yep. We about to get this cold brew. I'm curious.
You want a straw today?
Sure. Why not? Thanks, brother. Cold brew, cookie butter. Appreciate you, brother. Oh yeah, cookie butter, cold brew. It's got all of this stuff on the top. Y'all see that? Look at that. Yeah, I think that's the cookie. Smells like maple. Slight plug for Dunkin' as well. Slight plug. You know what I'm saying? I'm just waiting on my sandwich. I need that sandwich. I got like a little class today, so you know what I'm saying? Just trying to get right before this class. It's 8 hours. Then I got to do another 8 hours tomorrow. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about my channel. I'm gonna have a lot of different content coming soon. I'm gonna be breaking the channel up a little bit. Me breaking it up. You know what I'm saying? Putting some basketball stuff up on there. Probably add some gaming stuff on there if anybody wants to play. You know what I'm saying? We can do Call of Duty, we can do Destiny. I don't play 2K no more. I don't play 2K because it's pay to win, and I'm not buying V-Bucks. Like, for what? That just takes the joy out of the game, so I'm not doing that. I'm on PlayStation. You know what I'm saying? PS5 vibes. We're gonna get busy. We're gonna do some different stuff. A lot of just like casual hoop playing, nothing crazy, but I'm gonna pull the full game up. No edits at all. Just straight up basketball. Trying to get back in shape, y'all. I'm trying to get back in basketball shape. It's hard to get in basketball shape when you don't play every day. That's the problem. You gotta play every single day in order to get in basketball shape. And you know, with kids and you know, got your wife or you know, your husband, whatever y'all into, it's definitely hard to stay in basketball shape, let alone get in basketball shape. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but that's what we're gonna be doing with the platform. We're gonna be switching some stuff up here very, very soon. I'm still gonna do the sneakers though. You know what I'm saying? It'll be there. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Appreciations. So yeah, we gonna be doing our you know, we still gonna do the sneakers. The sneakers will be in there, but I'm definitely adding a lot more content, you know, to the channel. It's not gonna be only shoes. It's not gonna be only shoes. I just don't want my channel to just be only sneakers. You know what I'm saying? I want it to be other stuff too. And I've been planning this for a little while anyway. But I think it's about time, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing this for a little while, so it's about that time to really switch it up. As soon as I park, I'm gonna get this little cold brew, a little taste right here. We're gonna see what's popping with this cold brew. Cold brew. We got this cold brew. I'm about to try it, see what it's about. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Y'all think it's a game. All right. Okay. So a lot of the channel might look a little different, but it's not going to be that different. The sneakers will still be there. It's just going to be more, you know, it's going to be more stuff. It's going to be more stuff. It's going to break it up. And the channel is going to have something for everybody because I'm really all about learning. You know what I mean? Learning new things. The nursing is still there. I'm still a nurse. You know what I mean? We always gonna be doing nursing, so that is what it is. But yeah. So that's the current state of the channel, y'all. That's where we going. You know what I mean? That's where we going with it. So look, I'm about to get up out of here. I'm about to get up into this class real quick. Y'all stay humble. Y'all stay blessed. I'll see you. Peace.